In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Alipay not working on 1688. If your payment keeps failing or you can't check out, follow along and we'll walk through the most reliable fixes in order. Start inside the 1688 app. Go to the section labeled Woda, which is My Account, then open Shiji or Settings. Find Zifu Shiji or Alipay under Payment Settings and make sure your Alipay account is actually linked. If it shows disconnected or expired, log in again and authorize the connection. Even a small sign out can cause payments to fail on 1688. Next, switch to the Alipay app to complete your account verification. Go to Me or Account and finish identity verification and phone number verification if they're pending. Unverified accounts are frequently blocked from paying on 1688, so this is a must before trying again. While you're in Alipay, open payment methods and review your cards, confirm the card is active, that international payments are enabled, and remove any expired or blocked cards. If you have another eligible card, try switching to it to rule out a card-specific issue. Now enable cross-border payments. In Alipay, go to Settings, then Payment Settings, and toggle on international or cross-border payment. Some regions have this disabled by default, so turning it on often resolves immediate declines. If issues persist, clear the app cache. For the 1688 app on Android, go to your device settings, Apps, 1688, Storage, then Clear Cache. On iPhone, the quickest way is to delete and reinstall the 1688 app. Do the same for Alipay. Clear its cache or reinstall to wipe corrupted data that can interfere with payment flows. Update both apps to the latest version. Outdated builds commonly trigger payment errors, so visit your app store and update 1688 and Alipay before you try again. If you're seeing messages like 交易存在风险 or Zifu Shibai, that points to security or risk control. Open Alipay, complete any requested security verification, and confirm recent transactions if prompted. If Alipay indicates a temporary block, wait up to 24 hours and try again after the restriction lifts. Before making a big purchase, test with a low-value item. A successful small transaction confirms your setup is correct and helps you isolate whether a limit or specific merchant is the issue. If nothing works, contact support. Open the 1688 Help Center, type Rengongko Fu to reach a human agent and provide clear screenshots of the error messages so they can see exactly what's happening and assist you faster.